Right, good morning, Year 1. And can we say good morning to Mrs. Hugh? And who else is in the room? And I know that you've greeted Auntie Alaness and Auntie Lillian already. Okay. Well, welcome to Assembly Year 1. So this morning I've got a little slideshow for you. Shall we find out what it's all about?
Yes.
Okay, today is about feelings. Who's feeling excited this morning? Hand up. All right. Okay, let's find out a little bit more. Hand down. Right, look at these feelings. Happy, sad, lonely, scared, cross. Now I know you've got a mask on, but can you give me a cross face? You can give me a cross face. Oh my word. There are some cross faces that I can see with your eyes. What about a lonely face? Keep your feet still. And what about a happy face? Okay, very good. Look at this child. How do you think she is feeling? Hand up and I'll call you. Happy. Happy. Hand up if you think she looks happy. Absolutely. There we go. Oh, what about this young person? She looks lonely, possibly, but to me a little bit more than that. Not just lonely, something else. Scared, let's see. Scared. Show me scared. Very good. Is this person, don't shout out, let's see, feeling? Sorry? Cross. Cross. Very cross. Or another sort of word, somebody said it over there, but don't call out, there's another word. Angry. I don't know if you've ever felt angry. Okay, hands down. How can we show our feelings? Without saying any words, show the person next to you how you are feeling. Okay, have a go. Just turn to the person next to you or behind you without talking. You don't need to talk about it, you just need to show your face. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do this. Ready, steady, go. Okay, and stop. Right, boys. What was Luca? Happy. What was Georgie? Happy, you were both happy. Does anybody have something different? Somebody have something different? Yes, girls. Oh, you also had happy. Lots of happies. Excited, okay. Was there anybody that was sad? Was there any? Were you sad, Kyle? Okay, but are you feeling sad? Oh, that's good. So, sometimes we can feel happy. Sometimes we can feel scared. Sometimes we can feel lonely. We can feel excited. All these feelings, okay? We want you to feel happy all the time, okay? But sometimes it's not always possible. You might even feel a bit sad if your teacher is a bit disappointed with your work. Does that ever happen to you? Or maybe you've been doing such good work she never gets disappointed with you. All right? Or maybe you made a bit of a mess at home. Yes? Hand up if you've made a little bit of a mess at home and you got into a bit of trouble. Oh, we've got a few hands. That's very honest. How did it make you feel when Dad got a bit cross, maybe? Did Daddy get a bit cross, maybe? And how did it make you feel? Okay. Say it again. Oh, your mummy shouts. If mummy shouts, she would be feeling very, what's the word? Cross. And she could be sad, couldn't she? Right. But if you have one of these feelings, there's people to help you. Your teacher. Okay, if you're feeling a bit rough and sad, your teacher can be there to help you. That's what she's there. And not just your teacher.
Also your friends.
Your friends. Thank you.
Your dad.
Yes, somebody at home. Somebody at home. Yes.
Your nanny.
Your nanny. Your class assistant. Your teachers. Any teachers. I don't teach you, but if you're ever feeling sad or lonely, I'm here for you. Mrs. Hume is here for you. Mr. Maffia, anybody that you see at school is here to help you. All right. Sometimes if you're feeling really poorly, you might have to go and see a doctor. But doctors are also very clever. They help you feel better sometimes, don't they? Even if you have to have a bit of medicine. Okay? And some of you have got grandparents, grandmas or granddads, or aunties or uncles that you could also talk to. Okay. Now, you need to tell people if you're feeling sad, because it's important. All right, children? Okay. Right, we're going to move on very quickly to our certificates. And I know that Year 1 is working very, very, very hard. But we've had to choose one person this week from one Jasmine and one from one Mapani. And in no particular order, what I would like you to do is if I call your name, you come to the front and sanitize, and then we'll virtually shake hands. And I will give you your certificate. So this is Miss Van Aert's class for putting a lot of effort in all her work. Goes to Dina. Is Dina here today? There you go. So, would you like to just sanitize? Rub, rub, rub. Turn this way then the camera can see you, and we'll virtually shake hands. Yes? Can you do that? Good job. Right, there you go. Look at that special award. Okay, show everybody. Well done. Can we give Dean a big hand? Clap. Well done. And in Miss Hitchcock's class, are we ready? Are we steady? It's very difficult to choose because I know that you've all been trying exceptionally hard. This outstanding concentration and effort this week goes to Noah. Is Noah here? There we go, Noah's always there. Right, sanitize your hands. Let's give you a little bit of a squirt. Got it? Come and stand there. Should we virtually shake hands? Good job. Well done, Noah. Excellent. So far, we've got a winning house, which is... Come on, eagle. Come on, eagle, say eagle. Eagle. Let's do it again. Right. Now, I know that you've been working very hard in Numbots, and I'm going to ask Mrs. Hume to present the Numbots Awards.
No voices, please. Sitting up nice and straight. Right, so during online learning we launched Numbots, didn't we? Okay. And I'm hoping that you're all logged on and that you're all playing every day. Not for hours though, just 5-10 minutes a day. And that you can earn lots of coins and start customizing your robot. Has anybody customized their robot yet? So got a new arm, or a new head, or a new body? Wow, that's lovely. What's wrong? But it'll take time, won't it? Yeah? The more you play, the more coins you earn. It'll take time. Luca.
I got more money than your mom, and I find the money on all the number sets, but I can't find the money.
Okay, well we'll try and find that for you later, okay? So every week I check people's progress, Noah. And from that we can give out certificates. Now quite a few of you have had certificates already, haven't you? Okay? I sent them to you on Seesaw. And what I give certificates out to is if you have the most levels with 3 stars. Okay? So what you're trying to do is when you're playing Numbots, you want to get each level with 3 stars. And if you only get 2 stars, you can always do it again, can't you? Yeah? We are also looking at how many answers you're getting correct. Okay? And then finally, we're looking at your accuracy so that you're not making many mistakes. Okay? And as the year goes on, you're just going to get better and better, aren't you? And quicker and quicker and quicker. So, what I would like, okay, is Noah, that's the second time. Sit up straight and listen, please. Right, Eli, you have got 3rd place in the highest number of levels passed with 3 stars. Up you come. Well done. And we'll do a clap after each 3 people. Fantastic work. So, shall we do a pretend handshake? And there's your certificate. Show everybody your certificate. It's amazing. Camellia, can you, we'll clap now. Eli, stand here, Eli, Camellia, you have got 2nd place. Okay. Maybe Eli, if you stand there. Okay. You've got 2nd place. Well done. You've got 2 stars already. Okay. Now we'll do claps at the end. Year 1, I said we'll do claps at the end. Camellia, can you stand here, please? Hamna, you won it. You have got 1st place. And let's give these 3 children a big, big round of applause. Okay, show everybody your certificate. Right, so well done to you 3. Right, sit down, please. Okay, you sit down. Right. So, now we're going to award the certificates for the biggest increase in correct answers. Okay, so in third place, we have Amna. Up you come again. Quick. Olivia, you have second place. Up you come, please. And Itsu, up you come. You have first place.
He's not here.
Okay, so we'll give. So, can we give these girls a huge round of applause? Well done. Great work. Okay, sit down then, girls. Right, okay, so now it's the highest improvement in accuracy. So, in third place, Olivia, up you come. You have another certificate. I'll just do a quick one and then just... Okay, Tadiwa, you have second place. Well done. And Kyle, you have first place. Can we give a huge round of applause to our number certificate winners? Well done. Right, you sit down then. So, keep playing numbers, keep earning coins, okay? And we'll do more certificates in our next assembly, okay? Well done, children. Right, I know that we have had some children who've had a birthday in January and they should have gotten their certificates in their pack. We're nearly just, halfway through February. And we've got a birthday certificate here for Paige. Where is Paige? Paige, all at the back. Paige, would you like to come to the front so we can give you your birthday certificate? I think your birthday was on Tuesday. Was that correct? Well, happy birthday for Tuesday. Let's shake hands. There you go. Let's have it right now. Right. If you stand there next to Mr. Fire, hold your certificate up, we're going to sing. Anybody had a birthday in January? Would you like to come to the front? No? Kyle, did you have a birthday in January? You stand next to Paige. Always just tuck your shirts in so that you look nice and smart.
And then I could do
That's better. Right, let's see if we can remember the birthday song. It's been a while. Well, we're going to have to learn that one in singing, Mr. Mafia. I think we can start with that soon. Well done, children. And can we give them a big hand for their birthday? Children, you can sit down. Thank you for joining us for today's assembly. And now we're going to end our assembly and